Hi, welcome back to Learn and Share. Today we're going to look at some tips while using Microsoft Office Word. A friend of mine asked me, I don't have any designing skill. I don't know any designing software that I can use to create a simple poster or to design that profile page for my project, that amazing cover page for my report. What am I supposed to do? Yes, the answer is very simple. With Microsoft Office Word, you can do a lot of things. You can design your simple poster, you can design that menu for the restaurant, and so many other things. So let's get started with MS Word designing. How to make simple designs with MS Word. I'm using MS Word 2016. So as you can see here on my screen, these are some of the simple they are not simple, but of course it looks amazing to me. These are the projects that I've made with MS Word. For example, see these designs that you can see on your screen, and so many other designs. So I'm going to open a new page, a new document. Here we go. So what are the tools that you're supposed to be using mostly when you are designing a simple poster, that a wonderful cover page? Yes, you have the insert menu. Under the insert menu, you'll go to the shapes. We shall be using the shapes a lot. Then also still under the same insert menu, we have the text box. We shall be drawing text boxes in order to insert our texts. And then we have the picture, where we shall be adding any pictures, whether online or offline, on our designs. Let's get started. Yes, I'm going to pick the shape of my choice. Let me start with the oval here, as you can see. So I'm going to draw it and give it a favorite color. Let's say, let me give it dark blue, like this color here. I love blue. So when you click on your shape, it takes you to the shape format menu, where you can change the way your shape is, the color, the boundary, like the border or outlines, effects. So I don't need any outline on my shape here. I'm going to come here and say I don't need an outline or outline. The shape fill is fine for me there. Okay, so I'm going to design a simple poster that has Learn and Share, and also what Learn and Share does, like as a YouTube channel. So let me insert, I'm going to start by inserting a simple logo. I'll use a YouTube logo since it's a YouTube channel, but of course if I have my personal logo, I can as well put it there. So I'm going to put this logo here, and then remember, I'm going to say let it be in front of text. Now I'm free to move it anywhere I want in front here. So if I place this logo right here, the next thing is I need to add text. Remember, you cannot just click anywhere and start writing. It's a bit difficult. So what I was supposed to do, we are going to pick the text box. I'm going to come to insert menu, look for a text box, and then draw text box. There are some templates here, but I prefer starting from scratch. So I'm going to click on the draw text box. When I come here, I'm drawing my text box. As you can see, the text box comes by default, it comes colored in white, and also with black color outlines, but I don't need the color inside. I also don't need the outline. What am I supposed to do? I'll just click on my text box. It will take me to the format shape menu. So under shape fill, I'm going to say no fill. I don't need to fill it. Then also under the shape outline, I'm going to say no outline. So the text box is almost invisible, but when you know where it is, so I'll click that. I know it is right here. So then I'm going to type inside. Yes, so let me type and we see Learn and Share. Yes, now the text is black. Of course, you can't see anything now. I need to change the color of my text. I'm going to highlight or select the text, come to the home menu, go to the color. Since it is a dark background, I'm gonna pick white color. Then I also have to increase the size till I see it is satisfactory to me. There's some spelling error here, let me rectify it. Okay, it's not fitting. Yes, there we go. So now this is my simple that's how I've begun. So I can add some images, I can add some other things as well. Let me start by inserting an image here. I think let me put myself. Yes, I'm going to go to insert pictures from device, and then where is my image? Where is my image? Oh, I think it is here. Yep, there we go. That's my image. So let me bring it in front of the text also. Then I align it accordingly, or I resize it according to what I want. Yeah, we may stop there just for instance. So now I need to add some other shapes such that I can get where to write from. Since we have red here, I think maybe I can use something similar to that. Go back to the shapes. I'm gonna pick let me use the oval. I like it. I'm gonna draw my oval just like this and rotate it a little bit, and then make it bigger somehow and place it somewhere there, just like that. Yeah, I think it is great there. Okay, I'm gonna change the color to, let me see, can I take red? Yeah, let me take red, and then I think it's great there. So still using the same shape, let me add something else. You know, you can use different shapes according to your choice. So let me draw a small circle here where I'll add my simple call out for people to subscribe. Let me give it the white color, the shade white, and then my outline should be, I think, dark blue, or it's black, and it's almost like black but it's dark blue. Okay, let me increase on the weight as well. As you can see, the weight is increased now. I think this is okay. Yeah, I think let me also put the shape outline here. Let me increase the weight a little bit for this one as well. Okay, there we go. So that's my picture, and all I'm left with is to add some simple information about a learn and share. So I'm going to get my text box again. If I don't want to waste time like drawing another text box, I can just come on this one, click on it, copy it, and then paste it, then drag it up to down here, as you can see. So let me write in the title, let's say contents, for instance. Place it where it is appropriate, for example up here, and the size looks to be a little bit bigger, so let me make it a little bit small, and I want to align it at the center. Okay, alright, now let me start writing what learn and share does. I'll say, for example, let's say MS Word training, MS Office training. MS Office training. I can add let's say Photoshop. I can as well add let me say videography. I can add of course there are lots of things. Let me just add LinkedIn. You know, I've made some videos about LinkedIn. I can also add just anything, whatever comes to anything that we can learn, let's say, and so much more. For example, yep, let me increase the size of this a little bit. Okay, if you want, you can change the color of this to whatever you think suits or fits, but let me leave it to white, but let me just make it bold. All right, here I can add the subscription button, or I can just put a text box there as well. Next, copy it, then bring it right here. Let me change the color to red. Yes, that's the color, and that's my word subscribe. Let me make it actually in capital letters. Subscribe. Okay, now let me just put it into the right place. Reduce the size a little bit. Let me make it 30. Yeah, of course this is a quick video, but for practice you can make better designs than this, as I've showed you. If you have enough time, you can make better designs. As you can see, it's such an amazing design. You can add you can make designs like this, you can make designs like this, or even like this, you know, simple one. Yes, so this is a simple poster, yes, that you can place on your, let's say, Facebook page, on your channel as well. You can even make a wonderful thumbnail, that is, if you resize the page to fit the thumbnail of your channel. Basically, that's it for today. You can do a lot. Let me look for a subscription button from the online pictures, if I can get one. Let me just search for it there. Subscribe. There it is coming. Yep, it's amazing actually. So let me take, I think I can take let me take this one, insert it. It's downloading. Of course, it doesn't take a lot of time. There we go. I need to bring it in front. Yep, right there. I don't need this. Delete this. Now put it where I want it to be. Let's say I can place it right there. Okay, yes, that is simply how we can make simple designs. You can, you know, just imagine something. Maybe you can first put your draw it on paper. You can just start by designing. You never know, after it something comes out very nice and amazing. The most important tools that we're using here, as I said, we're using the shapes, which is under the insert menu, and also the text box, which is also under the insert menu. Of course, also with formatting your shapes, and then you will be able to do something amazing. Yes, thank you so much once again for subscribing to my channel and for following me. May God bless all of you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell to get reminded all the time. See you again next week with another tip of Microsoft Office Word.